My wife and I are getting ready after 3 days in isolation at our home in Fort Worth, Texas. After rain, snow, sleet, more rain, freezing rain. Now it's all fallen off. Today, all these big chunks of ice, glad I wasn't under here, fell off into the side yard. Over that fence is the lake by our house. So, got some good sized chunks here. What do you think? Again, some good sized chunks, about 3 inches thick. What do you think? Again, don't forget to leave your kind and friendly comments below. I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This has been Jesus Manuel Garza. Gracias. Adiós. Bye-bye.